Hey guys, today we're playing a game called Zoo Animal Park 2 and welcome back to the channel. It's loading, so we'll just wait for it to load. And I never played this game. It just looked fun when I seen it on the App Store. So I got it. Did you know you can upgrade a letter from Grandpa? Do I tap it? Your great aunt Josephine has passed away. She left me her little petting zoo. Someone needs to take care of the animals now. Do you think you could help me? I can't do it alone. Wow. So nice of you to come and help your old granddad. Oh no, look at it. Everything's in shambles. Would you go see to the animals? I'll have a look around. So I just tapped. No, wait, what? Do I just tap the horse? Horse. Is it female or male? It's a male. It's a male horse. So I don't know what I don't even know what this brush thing stands for. What does that ball stand for? That looks like a feeding bowl. So I guess we gotta feed it in 1 hour or whatever. I don't know what this mop thingy is. Do we tap the animals? It's a male rabbit and a male domestic goat. So do I just domestic, same thing. So do I just tap it? What do I do? This person's mess. Grab the scrubber and scrub away the dirt. Also, it's clean, so I just grab the paws. I just scrub the paws. So I do it with everyone. Why couldn't they add hooves, like hoof prints? That would have been cool because this is a goat. So I guess that's cleaning the enclosure. Much better. Everything's nice and clean. The poor animals, no one has been taking care of them. They must be starving. Would you go feed them? If your animals are hungry, tap on the empty bowl, bubble over their enclosure. Select a bucket and drag it over the animal. Better food gives more experience. So I guess I'll just feed it. What does the Thanks for coming. I wouldn't have been able to manage on my own. I found some flowers in the shed. Let's plant them. There was a little rabbit hiding in the flowers. We should put him with the other rabbits. Okay. Open the menu and tap on the card symbol. Drag the desired item from your inventory into the game. Confirm with the green check mark. Okay, we got flowers, I guess. Hold up. There we go. We press the cards, so I just tap the animal. Oh no, I drag it. Check. Great Aunt Josephine would be proud on us. She always wanted that her animals are taken care of. Fix your grammar first of all. Fix your language, like you need a speech teacher. So we got another goat, another rabbit, some food parlor, a bucket, and some flowers, and a bench. Look over there. What's the mayor doing here? Monopoly! They bring Monopoly in this game. I wish you all the most wonderful evening. We all miss Josephine dearly, and believe me, I too just want the very best for the animal. But I fear theatrical sigh. We need to close the zoo. I'm sure you can understand. No, why? You can see for yourself, no visitors. The city could build a nice shopping mall on this land over here. On this land. Aunt Josephine would have that wanted that. We'll get visitors. With this rundown zoo, I doubt it. No, just you listen. We're going to whip this zoo into shape. Well, alright, I'll give you 48 hours. If you don't have at least 5 visitors by then, we'll need to bulldoze the zoo. Did you hear that? We need 5 visitors. Look at us rushing into a little adventure without even knowing. Come on, we could do it. First, we need more animals. Okay. New animals and decorations will fill your visitor bar. Once your visitor bar is full, a new visitor will show up in your zoo. Build shops so that visitors can buy what they want. So I go here. Let me go to buildings. Let's place an ice cream parlor right here by the flowers because I think it'll be smart. Well, to me, I think it'll be smart. I am not going to do this. I only have 5 gems. I'm not doing it. We can wait the 50 trees. I guess we can place like a little bit of trees here. Yeah, let's just place all of them. Can I wait? What? And I guess we'll place a tree right here. My visitor bar isn't even filling up. What is this? Hello, player. How can I help you? I don't care. I already read this. So let's go to shop animals. So we can get 1 goat. What other animals are there? Wait, there's different territories? I didn't even see that. What is this territory? A tapir. A tapir? What is... No. Beavers can spend up to 15 minutes underwater. Grasslands. Hold up. Mountain, forest, mains, grassland. Oh, I'm done. Savannah, jungle, ice, water. Water? I was about to say a chicken? What is this? A walrus? A giant oceanic manta ray. I'm not getting that. I'm not putting that in my park. Well, elephant seal. What is this? A sea otter. Now what? We have no buildings. Yeah, no buildings at all. What do I do? Oh, trash cans, of course. Happy hearts. I was about to say. Let's just place a trash can. We don't want to place it. Let's place one trash can here. Let's place a trash can here. Let's place a trash can here, I guess. So this is probably the hold up, can you actually change the angle? Wait, I can change the angle? How do I do it? I ruined the camera. Well, that's cool. There we go. Perfect angle. Now, goats. Do I have any cards? Decorations. Don't ask why I went all the way up to 20. It's personal. We'll have... I was going to say Dora. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we'll place 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We leveled up. We got 5 of those. We got 5 flower thingies. What are they called? Red larkspur. We got a horse. We got a new enclosure. For what reason? Well, guess after this, it'll be the end of the video. After this, huh? What is this? What's this? Is it a lion? Oh dearie, that sounds dangerous. I'm getting myself to safety. I'm sure you'll manage. Aww, it's a panda? A panda cub? Goodness, isn't the little guy sweet? Do you know what this means? The zoo still has friends. There must be someone out there who doesn't want the zoo to close either. The little panda baby can be our new star attraction if we take good care of it. Quick, let's build an enclosure. Okay. Enclosure. Oh no, enclosures. Okay. Bye guys, hope you liked the video. See you guys later. Bye.